Welcome back. In our last video, we covered the essential first steps. Now, it's time to get subfloor savvy. Your subfloor is the foundation of your new engineered wood floor, and getting it right is absolutely crucial. Before we dive in, a quick but important note. While we're providing this guidance based on best practices and industry standards, like BS 8201-2011, the ultimate responsibility for a correct installation lies with you or the fitter. Wood and beyond cannot be held responsible for any issues that arise from the installation process itself. Following these guidelines carefully is also crucial for your product warranty. So, let's get started. First, let's identify what you're working with. Common suitable subfloors include concrete or cement screeds, wooden subfloors like plywood or chipboard, and even directly onto floor joists or battens, depending on your chosen flooring and installation method. Just as important is knowing what isn't a suitable subfloor. Things like existing vinyl, glued down carpets, or other old flooring types must be completely removed. You need to get down to the structural subfloor. Now for the golden rule, your subfloor must meet the following. It needs to be solid, flat, and dry. Solid means no loose boards, no creaks, no movement. Everything should be securely fixed. Flat is critical. We'll dive into checking this in a moment, but an uneven subfloor will lead to an uneven new floor that could crack. And dry. Moisture is the enemy of wood flooring. Your subfloor must be thoroughly dry before you proceed. We'll talk more about specific moisture content in our next video on site conditions. Let's get specific about flat. Take a long, straight-edged tool, like a long spirit level, at least 2 meters, and lay it across the subfloor in various spots and directions. Any dips or high spots should be no more than 3 millimeters over that 2-meter span. For smaller areas, check for no more than a 1.2 millimeter deviation over 25 centimeters. If you find areas outside these tolerances, you'll need to address them. This might involve sanding down high spots on a wooden subfloor or using a suitable leveling compound for concrete or uneven wooden subfloors. Don't skip this, it's vital. If you're working with a concrete or screed subfloor, there's an extra crucial step, applying a liquid damp-proof membrane, or DPM. This helps prevent moisture from the concrete migrating up into your new wood floor. Typically, you'll apply 1 or 2 layers, following the DPM manufacturer's instructions carefully. And finally, before you even think about acclimatizing your new flooring or starting installation, ensure that prepared subfloor is perfectly clean. Sweep, vacuum, and remove any dust or debris. A clean start makes for a clean finish. So, your subfloor is now solid, flat, dry, and clean. You are well on your way. In our next video, we'll discuss creating the perfect room environment and the critical process of acclimatizing your new engineered wood flooring. Don't miss it!